Welcome back everyone to Pontos Fathom Hobbies. This is our paint through video for the Greyjoy Ironborn trackers. Just checking out these miniatures here. They've got spears, they've got nets. I'm going to get these primed up with some black paint, probably a zenithal prime as well, and then we'll start putting a base coat on them. Thank you guys for watching. While we take a look at the minis, I'll read from the Ironborn Trapper's card. It says, pillaging and raiding is a primary Ironborn motivation in the War of the Five Kings. Let the houses fight for the Iron Throne if they wish. The Ironborn have coasts to raid, treasures to siege, and people to enslave. As such, the Ironborn Trappers excel at hindering enemy forces with their long barbed pikes and entangling nets. While lightly armored and possessing only crude weapons, the Trapper's cunning and usage of devious tools more than makes up for this. So we've got these zenithal primed. Let's have a quick word from this channel's sponsor, and then we will jump into the first base coat. Pontos Fathom Hobbies is brought to you by the books that we produce. We've got a bookstore link down in the description where you can pick up books like The Genealogy of Cthulhu, Hermeticism of Hastur, and The Necromancy of Nyarlathotep, 3 of the 6 volumes of the Catu Journals out of Lovecraft's Providence. We've also got the Esoteric Saturn Mysteries, Esoteric Dragon Mysteries, and our study of anthroposophy and occulted history with articles on Tolkien. Finally, we've got the newest offering, Alchemical Courtship in the Dreamlands, each volume taking place in another one of H.P. Lovecraft's dreamland cities, Aimless in the city of Celophace, Hope's Home in Dalathleen, and Stubborn Devotions in Ruined Throng with the Temple of Hypnos. Now back to our gameplay. So I've got the initial coats on these. I'm going to move into a base paint using this black rubber. For the washes, I'm going to hit them with a Reikland Flesh shade and also this Drakenhof Night shade for the nets and the copper. I think I've got these tabletop ready. I'm liking how they came out. Let's go into the hero shots, and I'll see you at the end of the video for our final parting words. That's about going to do it for this paint through. I'm going to put the Greyjoy with the Ironborn Trappers up against the Tully Starks in an upcoming game. So like and subscribe. Go check out the bookstore. Ring the bell if you want to get notified when we do the gameplay. And thank you for watching. Take care. Bye-bye.